Chinese Arabic today is 26th of January. We are celebrating Republic Day. I wish you all happy Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival and this is big festival for all Indians. And the Constitution of India is came into force on 26 January 1950. The Constitution of India is made by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. We must respect our Constitution. Republic Day teaches us to be in love, peace and unity. So let's make our India best in the world. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my India very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bharat Mata ki Jai.